Are you running a brand and want better social media engagement for your business? Then I'm here with an amazing AI assistant which is going to do so. So hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to use AI for better social media engagement, and we are going to build this AI assistant by using Pabbly Chatflow, and this AI assistant is going to provide you post caption related to your business by using the knowledge base you have provided to it, and that knowledge base contains details of your business. So firstly, in this video we are going to create an AI agent using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if a user will send a message, an automatic reply will be sent to them. So if you also want to create this amazing AI assistant for your own business, then let me take you towards my screen. Welcome to my screen. So let's start building an AI assistant which is going to help you to manage the social media. So right here on my screen you can see this is the AI assistant I have created, and now I am going to show you the real working of this AI assistant, which is going to automate conversations with the clients whoever need helps in social media engagement. So now let's test this AI assistant which I have already built in. So for that, let's switch to my WhatsApp with me. So here you can see I'm landed to my WhatsApp, and now let's say I'm the user and I need some help regarding my social media. So here I'm going to send a message to the business number which is saved as test number here, and I have added this number in my Pabbly Chatflow account. So here I'm going to send a message that is, hey, I need help, and I have added this message as user's first message in my AI assistant. Now you might be thinking, what is this user's first message? So I'm going to answer it while creating our AI assistant, and here you can see as I have entered this message, my AI assistant has responded to me, and here I am getting this message which says, of course I am here to help, what do you need assistance with? So now let's enter one more question for our AI assistant to check its proper working. Now let's say I'm going to enter this question, that is, what services do you provide? And as I have entered this message, my AI assistant is going to fetch the data from the knowledge base which I have provided to it, and that knowledge base contains all the details of my business. So here you can see this is the knowledge base I have provided to my AI assistant, and my AI assistant is responding to me on the basis of this knowledge base. So now let's move on to our WhatsApp again, and here you can see my AI assistant has responded to me with a message. Now let's enter another question for our AI assistant. So here I'm going to enter this question, that is, I need a caption for my post regarding time. So now let's enter this question, and my AI assistant will respond to me within few seconds, and here you can see I'm getting some of engaging captions. So now you can see that how my AI assistant is responding. Now let's enter one more question for our AI assistant to check whether it's responding on the basis of the knowledge base I have provided to it or not. So here I'm going to enter this question, that is, which platforms do you support? So now let's enter this question, and if you're running a brand and want help with your social media engagement, then you can create this amazing AI assistant. So here you can see my AI assistant is responding to me. So now you can use this amazing AI assistant for increasing engagement on your social media if you are running a brand. So now let's move on towards creating this amazing AI assistant for your own business or brand. So for that you have to access Pabbly Chatflow, and for accessing the Pabbly Chatflow you just have to type its URL over the new tab, that is pabbly.com/chatflow, and once you will enter the URL you will be getting the landing page of Pabbly, and here you can see we are getting two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user you can simply click over this sign up free, but if you are an existing user you can simply click over this sign in. And if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Chatflow, you get 100 free credits every month for practicing Pabbly Chatflow. But before that I'm going to tell you about Pabbly community. So here you can see this is the page of Pabbly community where automation users, marketers and business owner gather to share their ideas, ask questions and get relevant update regarding using the Pabbly applications. So you can also join Pabbly community now and grow your business with us. And if you wish to join the Pabbly community, you can find link in the description given below. Now let's move on towards our Pabbly Chatflow again, and here I'm going to simply click over this sign in. And once you finish your sign up, you will will be getting this all Pabbly apps page where you can see these are the products provided by Pabbly. And as we are going to create an AI assistant, we have to access this Pabbly Chatflow app. So for that, you simply have to click over this access now button and we will be landed to the dashboard page of Pabbly Chatflow. So here you can see this is the dashboard page of Pabbly Chatflow where I have added 2 numbers in my Chatflow account. And if you also want to add your WhatsApp number, then you have to simply select this add WhatsApp number button, and here you can see that we are getting 2 options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. So if you want to integrate your WhatsApp number, you can simply click over this WhatsApp Connect, and if you want to connect with token number, you can simply click over this Manual Token Connect. And if you want to learn the detailed process of adding WhatsApp number to the Pabbly Chatflow account, then you can find video link in the description given below. Now moving on to the sidebar, you can see these are the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. And if you want to learn more about these features, then you can find video link in the description given below. Now, as we are going to create an AI assistant, we have to click over the AI assistant given on the sidebar. And as you will select the AI assistant, you will be landed to this AI assistant page where you can see this total number of AI assistant, active AI assistant and inactive AI assistant. Now we just have to click over this add AI assistant, and here I am going to provide a name to my assistant. So here I am going to provide this name, that is Engage Boost Media AI, which is the name of my brand. Now I am going to simply select this add AI assistant button and we will be landed to the AI assistant page, which can be seen here. And here we are landed to this AI instructions tab where it is asking me to select the instruction type. So here I am going to select this instruction type, that is AI agent, but you can even select custom prompt and you will be getting this prompt instruction. But here I am going to select my AI agent and you can select either of the options, that is customer support agent, sales agent and others as well. And as you will select the AI agent, you will be getting these instructions and you can even modify these instructions according to you. And afterwards we are getting this AI configuration section where we are getting this option for temperature. So temperature here basically shows the creativity of the AI's answer. Here 0 means more focused and 1 means more creative. So as you move towards 0, your answer will be more focused, and if you move towards 1, your answer will be more creative. But here I am going to keep it as 0.5, which is the most suitable temperature here. And afterwards we are getting this option for selecting the AI to use, which is already selected as OpenAI. And the next I am going to select my model as GPT-4o mini. And now we are getting this API key section where you have to provide the API key. So for getting the API key, you can visit this help desk which says kindly visit your OpenAI API's key page to get the API key that you need to enter here. So now let's move on towards this OpenAI API's key page. And here we are landed to this page where you have to simply select this create new secret key, and here you have to provide the name and the project name, and at last you simply have to click over this create secret key button and your API key will be created. But I have already created my API key, so I will be simply selecting it here. Now we just have to click over this connect button. And here we are getting this pop-up, which means we have successfully saved our OpenAI key. Now we are getting this AI assistant settings section, and here we are getting many settings options such as header message, footer message, stop keyword, retry attempt and fallback message. So if you want to provide header or the footer message, you can simply enable these toggles and enter the header or the footer message. And afterwards we are getting this option for stop keywords. So stop keywords are the keywords which can stop your AI assistant. Now let's say I want to stop my AI assistant as soon as someone enters a message that is stop. So for that I have to make this word as my stop keyword. So you just have to type this word and press the enter key, and here our stop keyword is ready. But here I am not going to provide any stop keyword, so I will be just disabling it. And now we are getting this option for retry attempt. So retry attempt basically specifies the number of fallback retry attempt if the AI assistant fails to respond. But here I am not going to provide any retry attempt. And at last we are getting this option for fallback message. So fallback message is the message which will be displayed when the AI assistant that API is not responding correctly, and here we are already getting a fallback message, but you can change it accordingly. And now we are done with this tab. Now let's move on towards the knowledge source, and here it's asking me to upload the file. So here you have to upload the knowledge base which you have created, and I have already shown you the knowledge base which I have created in my Google Docs, which can be seen here. So I'm going to upload this knowledge base over my AI assistant. And you have to remember one point, that file format will be only accepted in .txt or .pdf, and for the .pdf, if you have an image, then there is limitation of only 10 pages. But if you don't have any images, then no worries, we don't have any limitation for that. Now for downloading the file in either of these formats, you just have to move to the knowledge base which you have created in your Google Docs, and you have to navigate to the file menu where you can see this option of downloads, and on the downloads we are getting many formats. So from here you can download your file in .txt or .pdf. Now I have already downloaded my file in .txt format, so I will be simply uploading it over my AI assistant. So now let's simply select this choose a file or drag it here button, and here we are landed to my download section where you can see this knowledge base, that is social media engagement knowledge base. So I'm going to select it. And as I have selected it, I'm getting this pop-up which says file uploaded and processed successfully, and here I'm getting the name and the vector ID. So this shows that we have successfully added our knowledge base to our AI assistant. And afterwards, let's move on towards this assistant interface and configure it. And here on the assistant interface, the first option we are getting is for header display heading name. So here I'm going to provide my header display heading name as my brand name. So here I'm going to enter it, and as I have entered it, you might have seen the changes. That is on your right side on the preview of your WhatsApp chatbot. And as you can see that on my header section of the preview of the chatbot, you can see that I'm getting the same name which I have recently entered. So now afterwards we are getting this option for header display subheading name, and here we are already getting a subheading name, that is we are online and happy to assist you, which is also appearing over the preview of your chatbot on the header section as a subheading name. And afterwards we are getting this option for initial message, and here we are already getting an initial message, and this initial message is also appearing over the preview of your chatbot. And now let's say I'm going to add one more initial message, that is hello. So for that you just have to type this message and press the enter key, and here you can observe that I'm getting this initial message in the preview of my chatbot. Now I'm going to remove this message as we can create only 2 initial messages. And now we are getting this option for display the powered by Pabbly label, which is already enabled and can be seen on the footer section of the preview of your chatbot. And if you don't want to display it, then you can simply disable it, and here you can see as I have selected the disable, the powered by Pabbly label has been disappeared, but here I am going to keep it as enable. Now we are getting this option for footer text, and here we are already getting a footer text, that is privacy policy, which can be seen on the preview of your chatbot. And afterwards we are getting this option for footer link, and here we are getting this footer link, so you can provide the footer link as well. And now at last we are getting this option for users first message, and here we are getting this users first message, that is I need help. So this is the message which will be sent to WhatsApp from the user side, and you might have remembered that I have entered this message while testing my AI assistant on my WhatsApp. So here I am going to convert this message as hey I need help. So now we are done with this tab also. Now let's move on towards the styling tab and customize the visual appearance of our AI assistant. And now we are getting this option for theme mode. So here it is already selected as light, but now let's change it to dark and see the changes. And here as I have selected the dark theme mode, you can see the changes in the preview of your chatbot, but here I am going to keep it as light. You can check it according to you. Now we are getting this option for assistant shape, and here we are getting some of the assistant shape, so you can select it according to you. Now we are getting some of the properties for which we can change the coloring of your AI assistant. So now let's say I'm going to change the assistant background color of my AI assistant or the preview of the chatbot. So now I'm going to select another color. So here you can see as I have selected another color, the changes can be seen on the assistant background color of the preview of your chatbot. So you can change many properties likewise. And now at last we are getting this option for header profile picture, assistant profile picture and background picture. So if you want to provide any kind of these profiles, you can provide it here. So with this, we have successfully created our AI assistant. Now we just have to enable it by simply activating this toggle. Now I'm going to save this AI assistant by simply selecting this Save AI Assistant button, and here we are getting this pop-up, which means we have successfully saved our AI assistant. Now if you want to embed this AI assistant to your business, you simply have to click over this embed button and you will be getting the script code. So you can paste this script code to your business and the AI assistant will be embedded to your business. So with this, we have successfully created our AI assistant and saved it. Now I'm going to show you how you can enable this AI assistant for your all contacts or for a particular chat. And for activating this AI assistant for your all contacts or contact list, you just have to go to the settings, and here you can see this option of inbox settings, which you have to select, and you will be landed to this inbox settings page where you just have to scroll down, and at last you will see this option of enable AI auto replies, which you have to keep enable. And from here you can select your all contacts or your contact list for which you want to enable this AI assistant. And from this drop down of AI assistant, you can select the AI assistant which you want to enable. And with this, you can successfully activate AI assistant for whoever you want. Now I'm going to show you how you can enable AI assistant for a particular chat. So for that, you have to move to my inbox with me given on the sidebar. And here we are landed to this inbox page where I'm going to select my contact number. And here you can see on this particular contact number on your right side, you can see this option that is choose AI assistant, which you have to enable. And from here you have to select the AI assistant which you want to enable. Now let's say I'm going to select this AI assistant, that is Engage Boost Media AI. So here I have selected it. Now we simply have to click over the save button. And here our AI assistant has been enabled successfully. Now you have seen how you can enable AI assistant for your particular chat. Now we are done with the creation of AI assistant and activating it. So you can also create an amazing AI assistant like this for scaling up your own business and automating all the conversation and all inquiries regarding your business. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Chatflow now and stay tuned to our YouTube channel for learning more about Pabbly and creating many more amazing AI assistants and automations like this. And if this video is really helpful, then hit the like and subscribe button. And if you have any doubt, don't forget to mention it in the comment section. So thank you for watching this video. So you can create many more chatbots like this by using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can write it on forums.pabbly.com. But if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Chatflow for free now.